Hello everyone, greetings from Sarpan Consulting Services Private Limited. So today we are back with a video on our module of pop-up reminder. So as we look at this module, we have created a very good index file and you will be able to look at all the details that how you can perform or create reminders based on requirement. So before we start, there will be the question that there is already an activities tab that is created by Odoo by default. So what is the use of this module? But as we know that this functionality is only having some basic details or scheduled activities only can be seen in this activities tab. So we have created a tab that will help us to look at different reminders based on our date or days. So let's go to our settings. When we install this particular module, we will be able to look at one more, okay, one more menu, that is pop-up reminder menu, that has been created in our module. So when we click on this pop-up reminder module, you will be able to look at all the reminders that are created already in our system. So we are going to create one pop-up reminder based on our requirement. Let's say lead closing in this month. How many leads are there in closing in this particular month? So first of all, we will select our lead or opportunity name, and then we need to select its details or field based on date. So I'm going to select expected date of closing. Here we can see how many days, how many months, or whatever the search filter we want to apply. So we will be selecting the current month, okay, and here we will be giving some groups on which we want to see those particular uh, pop-ups. So let's go to our display fields, that what we want to display. First of all, we will need to display a salesperson name, then opportunity name, that which opportunity is there, what is the contact detail, so what was the contact name, and if there is any detail of expected closing date, the expected closing, that can be directly viewed. Once we have saved this, we'll simply just need to go and select that pop-up in this bell icon. So when we go to this model, here we will be able to look at our salesperson name, what is the opportunity, what who was the contact name or there is any contact name, then expected closing dates are also here visible. We have also created a link directly. So when we click on a particular opportunity, you will be able to directly go to that opportunity or lead, and you will be able to check all the details based on that. So this is how you will be able to look at your reminder. So to show you more, we have created one another. We let's create one another task deadline reminder. Okay, that will be based on our task. And let's say it's deadline. What is the deadline? Let's say current month is a deadline. I'm going to simply select internal user and basic exercise users. So what we can do is we can give let's say project name, uh, who is assigned that, who is been assigned that project. If there are any, if if there are any subtask, or let's say company, or what is the date, and that can be directly shown here. Okay, so I'm going to create another reminder based on project assigned name, and let's give a task name. Okay, so task. Current task. So I'm going to directly show that. So what we will do, we will simply select the task deadline, and here if there are any task or project names that can directly be shown. This one is having its end date in 20th of June in 2021, so it is shown here. All the details or everything can be shown here based on project, which are the task and details that can be directly shown here. So this is how you will be able to look at its details. Let's go and check a title of the task. So if there are any task titles given, they will also be shown. And once we have changed that, we will not need to refresh the page. We will directly be shown that particular task. And if we refresh that page, here the bell will also change its numbers, that how many reminders are there. Now we have created one another reminder based on birthday. Okay, so if there are any birth dates coming in, then they can also be shown. Here we can show different search options like on which day. So let's show that. Okay, as date and how many days we want to show. So I'm going to simply save this. And now if we look at a birthday, then only birthday, that is today, that will only be shown here. Okay, if we want, we can show all birthdays. So let's go to select all birthdays, and now if we go to a particular birthday reminder, then all birthdays will be shown. So this is how our module works. So that is all for our module. If you have any questions or concerns, please you can directly contact to us at contact@serpentcs.com. Please do not forget to like and share this video and follow our channel to get latest updates on our product videos. Thank you for your kind time, and thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.